Musa Mseleku is looking for a fifth wife, and that wife should be well educated, should be smart and independent. But she must not be a feminist. She should be a lawyer, a doctor, or an academic. I need an independent thinker, someone who is financially independent within her own views. She must be prepared to give me more children, said Musa Mseleku. He said that he also wants to have 20 children. This means that at least 7 wives in order to achieve my goals. At the moment, 2 of my wives are in support of my dream while the 2 are against it. I will not be discouraged. I know I will fulfill this goal in good time, he said. Speaking about the return of the 5th season, Uthando Nesthumbu, which is coming this week, Musa said that his children would speak more in the upcoming season. This is going to be the most exciting season because my children will get to express themselves more. They have grown and they are able to speak their minds. They will get to tell how they feel about polygamy, he said. He also said that he had a crown as a polygamist. I thought I knew everything about polygamy, but over the last few months, it has shown me flames. In this coming season, people will get to see that in polygamy, not everything is black and white. For example, you might think you are treating all your wives equally while they don't feel the same way, he said. One of the wives, who is Tobile Makumalo Mseleku, said this season will show more growth and challenges from their side. She said that she supports Musa's idea in getting another wife. I have no problem with him getting another wife as he has proven that he's capable of loving and treating us all equally. Under his wing, we haven't lost our identities. Instead, we are independent. We are not oppressed and we have our own opinions. To him, nothing matters except his family. Therefore, I would have been intimidated even if he marries a doctor or a scientist, said Makumalo. So the director of the local entertainment confirmed that the return of Uthando Nesthumbu season 5 is coming back. So Musa Mseleku is keen on finding wife number 5. So we'll just see what happens in season 5 on Uthando Nesthumbu, which is going to premiere this week or next week. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye.